Assalamualaikum, welcome to another video of UIKit Actions. So today we will discuss about IBActions, IBOutlet, outlet collections and UIKit. So before starting our tutorial, if you are not a subscriber of this channel, please subscribe this channel. Also like our Facebook page, which is UIKit Actions tutorial, and watch this entire video to get the knowledge of outlets, actions and outlet collections. So let's start. So in previous video we have created our view by auto layouting using embedding stack and views, and today we will assign some variables to these UI components. So first of all, what we have to do is open the assistant editor, and we have to just click it, and then we have to go to assistant and we open our class in which we have to link it. So let me show you how we know that this class is attached to the view controller class. In main storyboard, if we go to our UI inspector, then we can get that this screen is communicating with a class, and in this tab, this is a tab, if you hover this, it will show you identity inspector. It will show you that this UI is connected with the class which is view controller. So if we go to project assistance, we know that there is a class over here, view controller, in which we have to do the work. So let's begin. So first is we have to go to main storyboard, and then we will go to this button which is editor option, and from here we click on assistant and this class will be open. So inside this view controller scene, we have this view controller, and then we have view, and then the stack view, and then it has multiple views like text view, image view and a button view. So inside this view we have a label, and we have to connect it in this class. So what we have to do is just left click and drag it into the class and drop. So it will create a connection over here which is outlet. If we drop down it, we will see two options over here, an outlet or outlet collections. So what is outlet? Outlet is to refer an object to change its property. So first is outlet. So we will just create it, and we have to give some name to this label. So I'm giving it as ticket label. And then there is a UI type which shows that this type is UILabel. So we just connect it, and now it's your turn to just drag this into this class. So I just changed the name of this image view, and now what we have to do is drag it into the class. Hope you have done. So we have two options. The first is to drag it inside the class, or what can we do is just press and hold left click, and it will prompt this window or this pop-up, and it will shows use referring outlet. The new referring outlet is we have to just click over here and then drop it anywhere inside our class. So this will also show you this pop, and now it's your turn to just name this image view. I am giving it a name of ticket image view, and by default its connection is outlet. So we have three connections: outlet, action and outlet collection. So it shows that we can't choose the action because it's predefined outlet which is referring to another object. So we just connect it, and you will see that the reference is now showing that it is linked with our class over here in the form of this. Right now, if we click over here, it will show you that it is connected with the ticket, it is connected with the image, and the last is we have to perform some action on this button. Left click and drag it inside our class and create an action or outlet collection. So for me, we will create an action. just drop it. It will create a method. An action is to perform some action or some job with this method. So we will click the action and then we will name it. We'll write the function name inside this name. So I'm just writing generate ticket number, and then we will connect. So now if we click over here, it will show you that this method is connected with our button, this outlet is connected with an image, and this outlet is connected with the UI label. So let's talk about UIKit. What is UIKit? UIKit is a overall package which we import to call these methods, these signatures, or these variables, which is known as IBOutlet or IBAction. If we remove this import UIKit, what it will do, let's hide and see. It will throw an error if we don't import. It's important to import this UIKit in our project when we are working with our UI. It's a bundle of these classes, methods and variable, and when we import the kit, we are enabled to use these variables, methods and lots of classes related to UI. So let's again import it and see these errors will be removed. So now we have a method. Inside this method we have nothing to do. So we will do it like from double backslash we can add comments to our program or to our code. So I am creating over here a comment, print something on console. So what is console? Console is this window which is over here, and when we add a print function and print something over here, it will show you on this console. So let's run our application by selecting the font type. I am selecting here iPhone emulator, and then I'll run the program, and let's wait till it builds. So it's successfully built now. So here is the screen, and we click on this next button, it will print something like this. This function is inside an IBAction function, and it will print something inside our console. So what we have done over here, we didn't click on this ticket number, we didn't click on image as well, but we click on this button and it performs some action. So how we differentiate IBOutlet and IBAction? That the IBOutlet refer to affect the property by changing its color, its background, the text and etc. And the IBAction is refer to perform some action on the push or press of this button or any UI element. And what is outlet collection? Multiple labels or button collected in a collection. So let's see this video. So let's see this, that it contains UI label 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and it's connected with an outlet collection. In this video we can clearly see that there are multiple labels and it grouped into a collection. It will known as outlet collection. So collection of multiple labels, images means that we are creating a collections of label or image, or what is our need to create a collection, it will known as outlet collections of same type. Back to our code, and if we want to see the example of outlet, what we will do is we will change the ticket label text. To change the text of the label, what we will do, we go inside this IBViewDidLoad method. This method called when the class is initiated, the very first method will be called known as ViewDidLoad, and after that we will enter and we'll perform something on our ticket label. So let's say we click on ticket label dot text. So we use this property to define the value to the label. We are just changing the text to ticket number. Ticket number is 1. And let's just again rerun our application and see what it will shows you on the load. So it shows you on the load that ticket number is 1. Without any click or any action, we have just changed the value. So hope you will like this video. If you like this video, give thumbs up to this video and also make sure to subscribe this channel. We will be back with other amazing videos, tutorials, podcasts, unboxing and more. So stay tuned with us and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And also thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.